Hello, everybody. This is Happy Mother's Day. God damn it, man. Damn it, I gotta do this over again. It's so stupid! Mother's Day paper. Take two. Fucking asshole, man. Phone sucks, man. Gotta do it over again. Stupid. What's this, man? California bullshit. Man, I don't get it, dude. Fucking shit, man. I don't understand why I did that, man. Usually the other one does that shit. Mother's Day paper. I had everything in order. Now it's all backwards because it didn't work the first time. Fucking asshole. Bullshit phone. I understand why I did that to me. Come on. What's going on? Walgreens. Oh, God, dude. What is this shit? Nutrisystem. Yeah, I don't know why I did that to me, dude. Perfectly in order, man, and then I had to do it over again because it didn't work. Mother's Day paper. Oh, God. Come on. It's Mother's Day's paper. Man. What a nightmare, dude. Oh, there it is. Burger King's got one for $1. I'm gonna keep this one, man. One with the impossible. Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Paper. Fuck, man. Come on before it does all kinds of stupid shit, this phone. Please stop. Come on. Maybe. Nutrisystem. Looks like Nutella bottles. Hello?
Yes.
Getting ready, huh? Damn it. Doing it. We could do stuff I don't want to do. Yeah. Percent off on what? Come on. Be quiet, damn. Come on. Almost done. Don't do this to me, dumb phone. Or is this one or two? It's chocolate milk. Damn, I would love to have chocolate milk right now. Where's this at? Come on! Happy Mother's Day. Come on. Come on. This thing's like $19. God. Thank God. This is the last of it. Man. Come on. About get one for $1. I'm glad they got the plant-based one. That's what I'll be looking for. Goodbye, everyone.